Before we proceed, we just want to highlight to those seeing this video for the first time that the model of the cosmos that we are discussing here is very different from the other models. This is a consciousness-based model of the cosmos in which there is no physical reality assumed behind any perception of the cosmos. Time, space, and matter are all creations of consciousness in consciousness. They are apparently real but not physically real. You should at least watch the following videos first to get an adequate idea and understanding of the features of the model we are talking about. The first is video number 4 on Simplified Model. Second, video number 6, Physics Concepts. The links of these videos are given in the description below. In summary, it's a model of the cosmos in which there is a perpetual and instantaneous recreation of space. In other words, there is a moment-to-moment appearance of the cosmos in consciousness. Space is continuous and infinite. Time is discrete and perpetual. Wave-particle duality. We are now going to explore how the model would conceptualize the existence of an object or matter in the consciousness-based cosmos. The wave-particle duality, which is fundamental in quantum mechanics, would provide a good example. Let's consider a simple scenario where a source A emits a particle P, which is later observed at a detector B. To understand how the model conceptualizes this simple scenario, we have to consider 3 appearances of the cosmos. Let's call them C1, C2, and C3. C1. P has not yet been emitted. Thus, P doesn't exist yet. The appearance of the cosmos will depict only the source A and detector B. C2. P has been emitted, but it has not yet been observed. How would the model depict the situation? Here is where the model differs fundamentally from the other physical reality-based models. It's commonsensical to assume that even though P has not yet been observed and its location is unknown, it must exist as a particle somewhere in the cosmos. However, the consciousness-based model cannot allow this. The appearance of anything in the model is an appearance in consciousness. P appearing anywhere in the cosmos means P is being perceived to appear in that location by consciousness, because consciousness means knowing or to be aware of. But P must exist since it has already been emitted. So the question is, how would the model be representing P as existing before it is observed? Logically, P's existence can only be represented in terms of probability. If it is emitted with minimal velocity, then the probability that it is found near the source A should be high. This probability should decrease as the distance from A increases. This is precisely what the wave function in quantum mechanics does. The square of this wave function gives the probability that a particle is found at a certain location. It must be noted that this probabilistic nature is not a property of the particle per se. It is a fundamental property of consciousness itself for any unobserved object that exists in the model. It need not be a particle. It can be a collection of particles. It can even be a star or even an entire galaxy. C3. P is detected at B. The wave function collapses. It is only then that P exists as a particle in the model, when it is observed.